Yeah, g'day, I'm Cameron Stewart from Invercargill at the bottom of the South Island. Beautiful place. I had a look at this business opportunity back in 2011 because I was sort of fed up of just chasing the almighty dollar and sort of working in quite a selfish industry in the property industry and property trading and investing. And I was just looking for a way to free up my time and create both time and money. So that's why I had a look.
I'm Emma Jane Nicholson and I'm from Auckland, and how I came across the HIP group was actually meeting this young chap. So when I met him, he was pretty positive and outgoing, and when I found out about the business, it just blew my mind away, and I just look forward to meeting so many more people, and I think everyone should be a part of the HIP group because it's awesome.
And I suppose just on another note, just the power of association, hanging out with like-minded people that are going somewhere in life that are positive, it makes all the difference.